Temperate Grasslands, Shrublands, and Savannas by Levine. This biome can be found above the Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degrees north, and south of the Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degrees south. Above is a map of where this biome can be found. Mainly located in Africa, North America, South America, while some spots are in the Middle East and Asia. The elevation of grasslands usually stay around mid to low elevations. The main use of this type of land is for farming, since the land is very rich in minerals. Because of the many uses of this land, cattle now produce more milk and have more fat when they die. People are now beginning to see the negatives to overuse of this land and are beginning to ban hunting for some wildlife, like bison. Also creating national parks like Yellowstone National Park, which was the first national park made March 1st, 1872. The park has around 3,500 square miles and is home to around 67 different species of mammals. This is a picture of a waterfall in Yellowstone National Park. You can tell it's very natural. Overfarming has become a problem. Only about 50% of uninhabited or unused land remains in the world. Another problem would be hunting wildlife, which put bison endangered in central United States in the 1800s. Precipitation can vary by location, but most averages are steady around 100 millimeters of rain throughout the year. Winds are steady throughout the year. Biggest hazards would be wildfires. Temperatures are most commonly going to have cold to freezing winters while having hot and dry summers. Seasonal droughts do occur. Since there is a lack of trees, wind does not have any kind of force stopping it, so winds do speed up and stay at maximum possible speed. Winds are popular enough to spin a windmill, which is why they are so popular near Great Plains. Windmills are a great type of renewable resource and may not produce as much energy as a non-renewable coal or gas power plant, but its ecological footprint is a fraction of a fossil fuels power plant's. Wildfires are good for grass, preventing trees from growing and allowing more grass to grow. While grasslands are mostly different types of grass, most contain several different hundred types of flowers. Notice that in these pictures there's an absence of trees. Since trees cannot grow well in these climates, low-lying vegetation is a very common sign of a grass biome. Trees are uncommon and only grow in savannas. They do not create a canopy like a forest would have. Diversity among animals in grasslands is little, but there is a lot of wildlife. Bison is the most known species, along with gophers and prairie dogs. All species are very well adapted to the climate and are used to getting little water during the summer months. The teasel is considered an invasive species to the grasslands. Most carnivores that exist are small and fast, like the coyote and wolf. Although wolves are significantly larger than coyotes, they are very small compared to a lion or a bear. Almost all wildlife will depend on waterholes, which is why wildlife is more common near water. A waterhole is a depression in which water collects, especially one from which animals regularly drink from. As the country grows, demand for agriculture will rise. Demands are increasing at a rate too fast and will eventually cause shortages in food and dairy products. After the 1800s slaughter of bison, many laws were put into place to make hunting bison and other species illegal. Hunting in the U.S. now requires permits and has limitation on how much you can take home, which has improved sustainability in the biomes. And here's the list of sources I used to gain information about this biome. Thank you everybody for watching my video. Hope you learned a lot. Take care.